tense and the future perfect tense. That is when we have the use of a number. The use of a number sometimes. Let me explain what I mean by the use of a number with the example. Painted 20 pictures. The use of 20 here indicates that it will be difficult to use the future perfect continuous tense, because it therefore will read, by the end of this week, he will have been painting 20 pictures. That is not possible, because it means the process of painting the 20 will kind of be continuous. The meaning therefore is awkward, because it's obviously that he will have finished one, he will have even finished the 19th one, and also completed the 20th one. Like you say, he will have been painting 20 pictures. The only possible way it will happen is that he was already in the 20th one, and is still continuous in it, and such meaning is awkward. So therefore, in such case, when you have this number, a number like this 20, separating the item on which the action is on, you use the future perfect tense, not the future perfect continuous tense. That is a major difference between the future perfect continuous tense and the future perfect tense. But by this, we have completed the 12 tenses we have in English. Now, we must note that it is not the 12 tenses we have looked at. It's not all scholars that will look at them, look at these tenses as 12. And some, like I said earlier, will tell you that we have 9 basic ones. And then some others will not even consider some of the tenses I consider in the order I use as such. For example, some will take all the perfect tenses together and may not necessarily consider them as under the categories in which I consider them, or under which I consider them. Now, for example, we have the present perfect tense. That may be considered together as the perfect tenses, and that will not come with the past perfect tense and future perfect tense all together in one group. But whatever this format used now, it's for simplicity, so that we can see clearly the 3 broad categories of tenses that we have: the present tenses, we have the past tenses, we have the future tenses. And for all of them, the 4 in each group, you will discover, and you will agree with me, that they all have a bearing on that tense. For example, the simple present tense, the present continuous, the present perfect, and the present perfect continuous tense have some meaning that has to do with the present form. So also is the past tense. So also are the past tenses, and so also are the future tenses. So with this simple grouping, it's easier to pick what tense to use at any particular time. We want to believe that this will help in any exam.